This is life on the farm. We have Rhode Island Reds, Icy Browns. There's 10 of them. And this is their house that they stay in. Of course, it's air conditioned. And this is their outside run. And they don't like to have their picture taken. Come here a little bit. Come on a little bit. Where are you going? Huh? Anyway, that's where they run. Yeah, she likes to get rubbed. Yeah, it's a baby. They're all pets. This is the laying quarters and the roost, where they lay their eggs. And over here is the roosting poles that they roost on at night. And more roosting boxes. I've already gathered the eggs for today. Of course, I got 10. They're doing very well. Like I said, these are my pets. And sometimes I think I spend more time out here with them than I do in the house. And of course, when they're happy, they sing to you. This. Okay, girl. Okay, girl. That's right. That's right. Okay, you go back out. Anyway, this is part of my life on the farm. And I hope you enjoyed the video.